Hi friends! So today in reading you're going to take a quiz, and this is going to help us teachers know what you have learned so far and what your comprehension strategies are. So first of all, if you are not on Zoom or you need extra help or a refresher, you can click the link to watch today's lesson. You're going to click Add Response, and there are two different slides to this activity. So for the first slide, your job is to stop, think, and jot. And first you're going to read the passage, and for every paragraph, you're going to stop and jot. You're going to stop, think about what questions you had, did you make any connections, some thoughts you had, and write them down here, jot them down here. Then you're going to read the next paragraph and do the same thing. And you're going to do that for all 4 paragraphs. Stop and jot for each paragraph. And then on slide 2, it's the same passage. And you are going to read the passage again. Make sure you read it again. And then answer the 3 questions. And when you answer these 3 questions, you can either use the pencil tool to circle A, B, C, or D, or you can use the highlighter tool to highlight your answer. When you're finished, I want you to make sure that you go back and check to see that you've done all the stop and jot boxes and you've answered all 3 questions. And when you've checked your work, you can click the green check to turn it in. Now remember, this is a quiz, so it has to be done today on Friday. Your teacher will go over this in class, but will also talk to you about what happens when you have a late quiz or you do not do it. So make sure if you read the directions and get this done on Friday.